Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you legally own the GBA cartridge or a legitimately purchased digital copy. This matters because copyright law governs backups. Once done, document proof of ownership and review regional law to avoid accidental infringement. Make sure to prefer official channels when available. Manufacturers sometimes allow transfer or re-download. Also consider whether the 3DS supports the title natively. If it does, buy the official release. These steps protect you from legal and ethical risks before any technical work. Next, focus on legal alternatives instead of conversion. Look for official re-releases on digital stores or licensed remasters that run natively on your 3DS. Buying those avoids legal issues. If migration or transfer tools are offered by the platform holder, use them. When considering homebrew, limit yourself to community tools designed for owners making personal backups and follow official homebrew guidelines. This approach gives you a compliant path to play older titles without detailed conversion steps that could violate policies. Finally, if you still need help, seek advice from legal experts or reputable community moderators who emphasize lawful use. They can guide you on permissible actions. Make local backups of your own data only and never upload or share game files. When troubleshooting, prioritize checking ownership proof and device compatibility rather than applying unverified conversion guides. If something goes wrong, stop and reassess legality. This single precaution prevents many problems and keeps you within safe, responsible boundaries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.